it might go live. Yeah, you're live.
Am I live? Is it working?
Yep.
Is there sound? There's sound.
Yep, there's sound.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Emily, Kira, and Chloe. How are you? Oh, we got 6 people. Hi, Amy. Okay. A little early, so I'm just taking everybody down. That's 7 people. Marbella, hi. We have sound. We have sound.
All right. If you need me, just come get me.
Don't leave me. Okay. I can handle it. I'm going to be a big girl. I'll put my, yeah. Leslie Montenegro.
Where did I miss them?
Mercedes. Okay.
Oh, also, these are the extra ones for you from Gracie.
Oh, thank you. That's great. Jessica Cardenas. Hi, everybody. Okay, Molly Roberts.
Back into the world.
Thank you so much, Katie. See you in a little bit. Ouch, I just gave myself a paper cut already on the paper cut I already had.
Man, that's some skill.
Yeah, it is skill. Only I could do something like that.
All right.
Okay. Catch you later. Monica H. Oh, they moved everything around on me. All right, everybody. Moving right along. Got a few more minutes. Just wait a few more minutes and then we're going to get started and I'll tell you what we're going over today. Something new. Is that it? Okay, Sam S. Alrighty. Got one more minute and then I'm going to get started. This gives me an opportunity. I'm glad everybody came in a little early so I could get that taken care of. All right. We have sound. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock. Yay, we have sound, we have audio and video, we have everything. Woohoo! Today I'm kind of north because we still don't have sound south, so that's why I'm up north, but not that you would know the difference, except you might recognize this, those of you who go to the North Campus. Okay, today we are going to go over, you would have received in your email, if you haven't, check it out. Hi, Connor, we have sound and everything. Check your emails and print out those. It's going to be a list of the muscles of the face, all right, neck and skull. So you will have received muscles of the face, neck, and skull, a handwritten list. Here it is. It'll look like this, okay? All right, you're going to want to leave space in between each term because you're going to be adding the terms this afternoon. So today, this hour, all we are doing is I'm going to show you pictures of each one of these that we have so you have an idea where on the face, on the skull, these terms are located. Then this afternoon at 3 p.m., okay, I will be back on and we will go through these terms and I will give you the definitions. I am not repeating these instructions. Anybody comes in late, the only thing I'm going to tell you is to review this video to get this information from the beginning. Okay, so anybody who asks, You can tell them that as well. All right. Very, very simple. This is what you would have received in your email. You probably got your email by now. If not, it should be there any second. You're going to have these terms. You're going to make space. And then we are going to fill in together at 3 p.m. Everybody have that? Okay. Any questions? Ask me now. Ask me now. Okay. So, yep. Yes, we're looking at the pictures of the facial muscles in the face. Sam, I don't know on Monday what your assignments were. You're going to have to text Wendy and she'll let you know. Or you can text Katie. I would ask Katie. Or put both of them on the text and one of them will get you the answer. Okay? All right. We are going over terminology. Okay, you're writing the terms. They've already been sent to you. All you have to do is when we come back at 3, you're going to fill in the answers with my help. Okay, we're going to do it together. Meanwhile, we're just going to go over these pictures so you have an idea of what these terms look like. Okay, so the first term, good deal. The first term is frontalis. And do you see this forehead right here? These wrinkles, these lines on the forehead pertain to the term frontalis. Again, the term frontalis is on the email that you would have received from Katie. Okay, she already sent this out. If you did not get it, text Katie. Chances are you have it. You just have to look. If you're not finding it in your inbox, check your junk or your spam folders on your phones or your internet. Okay. All right. So here we are. These are the frown lines. Okay. You see these here? When I frown, that's frontalis. All right. Okay. It gets to lift and raise the eyebrows. Lift, lower, lift. Kind of scares me. Okay. So they're horizontal wrinkles right in there. All right. Number 2. I'm going to point out the one on top. Don't look at the bottom one, just look at the top one. And the corrugator muscle is of the eyebrows, okay? So do you see when I frown here and these right in here? Do you see that on this guy? That's what we're referring to. Marbella, any kind of questions you have on previous projects, text Wendy and Katie, and one of them will give you the answer. Let's get back to this lesson. Let's focus on what I'm showing you now so you don't get behind on this. Okie dokie. So this is corrugation muscle of the eyebrow. All right, right in there. And it's the muscle between the eyebrow and the eye socket. Right in there. All right. Okay, so this is going to give you the vertical wrinkles. You see my vertical wrinkle right there? That's a vertical wrinkle. That's what the corrugator muscle of the eyebrow does. All right. I'm going to put that to the side. Number 3, the next picture up here, you'll notice the nose area. My glasses hide this, but you can see this on this person right here. It's between the eyebrows. It would be this scrunched up right in here. Here he is. He's frowning. So that is your procerus. That is your procerus. And that is the muscle of the nose. And again, you don't have to write anything down. I'm just showing you these. Okay. If you did not get these images, check your emails. You received these. Katie sent this out this morning. I just verified that with her. She sent that out already. Okay. Mercedes, the only one making the wrinkles. And I don't mean this part. It's right through here. Okay. Do you see where the arrow is going? Right there. Okay. That's your procerus. And it lowers the brows. Okay. And it's the bridge of the nose, and the wrinkles would be on the bridge of the nose. Okay. All righty, moving right along. You receive them, everybody. If you did not receive, let's not worry about that. You can, right after this session, or right now if you want to, if it makes you feel any better, text Katie and she will send it out again. She sent it to everybody, but check with Katie, okay? She's got that. I'll let her know. Meanwhile, take this down. Focus on what I'm giving you here and don't panic. If it's easier for you to write the words down, you will get the list. Don't worry. Okay. Number 4 is zygomaticus minor. Number 4 is zygomaticus minor. And that is the side right in here. Okay. Do y'all see? Okay. It's your upper cheek muscle. And it's, see how that comes up here? That's what this is, right in here. So it's the upper cheek muscle right here. And when you smile, it lifts and causes the cheeks to move up. All right. You're okay. On these images, these were drawn for us, which I thought was pretty cool. I don't know when you know somebody who draws. I think it's one of the other students, not quite sure, but these are fantastic. So if you've got something different, cool. But that's where the zygomatic minor is, the bottom one, not the top one, the bottom one. Okay, bottom line. Can y'all see that? That's what it looks like. Okay, that was number 4. Number 5. Okay. Okay, number 5, y'all see that? Okay, that's the lip. All right. So number 5, if you can see that, is Lavatory Anguli Oris. Caninus is that other term. Lavatory Anguli Oris / caninus. And that raises the angle of the mouth and draws the mouth in. But you don't have to write that. We're just showing you what it looks like. So when you get the word and you remember it, that's how you'll remember it. So number 5 is the lip, this part of the lip. Okay? Right in here. Okay. Number 5. Where's number 6? Found number 6 somewhere. Number 6. I did have a number 6. I just have to find it. Ah, there we are. You see this gal right here? How she's flaring her nose? That is depressor septi nasi, or nasi. Depressor septi nasi. And you see what I'm doing? I'm flaring my nostrils. Okay. She showed me what she got. All right, I'll tell you what. You're not getting these pictures. What you would have received is something that looks like this. Did you receive this? Yeah, you would have received the upper body. That I do believe. Right, there are no photos in your email. All I'm doing is showing you the pictures. I've said it before. I'm saying it again. You did not receive these pictures, okay? And you're not going to be receiving these pictures. You should have received a list of the terms, Okay, so I just need to know, did anybody receive the list of terms? Right, Kira Marlowe. Right, look at Kira. Thank you, Kira. That's exactly right. All right, now the definitions that you got, I'm going to be going, after I try to get through this, if I can get through this, I can get to the definitions and the terminology that we were discussing yesterday. That was my goal. But the more time I spend on worrying about y'all's email, I'm taking away from the actual information. So please just focus on this. We'll get everything straightened out. You have an issue, text Wendy and Katie. Okay. So this is what we're focusing on right now. Okay, next is, and that was number 6. So now we're on number 7, Zygomaticus major. I just have to find that. Here we go. Can y'all see that? Some of these, you know, kind of look the same as others, but if you'll take a look at this, Zygomaticus minor, okay, is the upper cheek muscle. It elevates the corners of the mouth in laughing, and that's right along the zygomatic bone. Do y'all see that? So it elevates the mouth. It's on those corners. All right. So that's what number 7 looks like. All right. Okay. Moving right along. Number 8, and I've got 2 pictures. Number 8 is Orbicularis Oris. I like this picture. So if you can see, Orbicularis Oris is the muscle around the lips. Okay, can you all see that? The muscle around the lips that puckers and wrinkles the lips and closes the mouth. Here's another picture. Not as well, but what the heck, I'll put both up. Can y'all see? Number 8, it's all around the lips. It helps to pucker, to make you smile. Okay. Goes all the way around the lips. There we go. $16, $17, $18. The next one is depressor Anguli Oris. Okay, so it's your chin. Depressor Anguli Oris is along the chin. Can y'all see that? Pulls down the corners of the mouth. Okay. Pulls down the corners of the mouth. Here we go. Got it? Okay. The next one. Oh, here's another picture of the same thing. Depressor Anguli Oris. Do you see how it pulls down his mouth? Growl. I can't do it. There we go. He's angry. Got it? Okay. Got 2 11s and 2 10s. That's nice. Where's the 10? I don't know if I have number 10. I thought I did. Well, I'm going to refer to this one then, because I don't know where this is. Number 10. Okay, number 10, I don't appear to have a picture of, but we're going to find what we can. Number 10, I'm just going to say the word, again, it's going to be on your list. It's depressor labii inferioris, okay? And I'm going to try to find it on another sheet. Here we go, depressor. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this piece right here. Do you see the chin on this person right here? It's right there. So this little circle right there, sort of not quite the lips, sort of not quite the outer part or the chin. It's sort of in the center, okay, on both sides of the mouth. So that is what that's referring to, all right? I'm going to write that down. Okay. I don't know whatever happened in number 10. I could have sworn we went over it. Oh, well. Okay, number 11. It is fascinating, and these photos are fabulous. Number 11 is called mentalis, all right? And mentalis are the muscles that elevate the lower lip and raises the wrinkles in the chin, and it protrudes the lower lip. So do y'all see? It's all the chin. All right. So this is the mentalis. Well, 12's got to be somewhere. Okay, there is no photo, but I'm going to show you that one. What did I do with it? There it is. Okay. All right. On this picture, right up into the forehead is the Orbicularis oculi. Oh, no, that's not it. Sorry, guys, it's the outer eye, orbitus, orbit, oculi, anything that's ocule is about the eye. So it's the outer portion, it's that bone. It's sort of like almost the temple. Here's the temple, but not quite. It's right here, okay? Shows it right there. Y'all see? So that's that little dot. Can y'all see that? I'm going to put it real close. All right, that's number 12. And number 12 on your terms. I think it's 12. Oh, that's why. Number 12 is missing altogether. Oh, she's got epicranial. Okay, it's a little confusing as to why I came up with that under number 12. That was the Orbicularis oculi is number 14. Sorry, guys. Oh, okay. I see what happened. Okay. Number 12 is the, I'm going to read the word to you. Epicranial aponeurosis. Epicranial aponeurosis. That's the forehead. Okay. Yes. Okay. So number 14, correct. Correct, Mercedes. Number 14 was Orbicularis oculi, and that's what this is, the temple area right outside. Okay, that's number 14. Number 12, which somehow we missed, I don't know how, but that's the one that's up here in the forehead. Okay, can you all see that? So number 12, the terminology is epicranial aponeurosis. Aponeurosis. Okay. So I don't know why number 12 got missed. It just did. It did not get missed on your list, everybody. Yours is epicranial aponeurosis. Okay, so you're good on number 12. I don't know how it missed on our list, but it did. I think it got cut off. In fact, I see that it got cut off. I don't know why, but it just did. All right. Number 13, there is no, I'm going to try and find this one. Oh, there we go. Temporalis. The temporalis is the chewing muscle, but you would think a chewing muscle would be in the mouth, but it isn't. Your temporalis is between your epicranial and your orbicularis. So your temporalis, for some reason, and I don't know why, but it's all the way up here. It's like between here and here. It's back here. And that's your, when you chew, I guess it affects this bone in here, this muscle right in here. Okay. That would be number 13. Okay. It's called temporalis, and that's the only word there is for it, temporalis. Okay. It's just the temporalis. And the definition is just, it's no, well, you don't have to worry about that now. We're not going to, it's just the chewing muscle. Okay. Yeah. So Reagan, did you get that? Okay. I don't know what NVM is. I don't know what that is. Okay. Number, let's see, 14. Here we go. Is the orbicularis oculi. The orbicularis oculi. Yes, Victoria, if they ask for the chewing muscle, you want to put temporalis. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, so we are now the orbicularis oculi, number 14. Don't look at this picture right here yet. Let's just focus right here on number 14. And the orbicularis oculi is around the eye. If you'll notice, it's around the eye, and it's the muscles that surround the eye socket, and it helps, it closes our eyes. Okay. Oh, thanks, Reagan. I learned something new every day. All right. So the muscles around the eyes that close the eyes. Okay. You don't have to bother. That's just another picture. This is the same person closing their eyes. All right. Now, number 15 is this picture right here. You see, it's going to that line. Okay. Lavator, labii, superioris, alaquinazi. Alaquinazi. And that's, Wendy wanted me, you're going to get this later, but little ladies snore all night. It's the first letter of each word. It's the longest name of any muscle in the human body is this one, okay? And it extends vertically alongside the nose. I have the best ones ever. Y'all see this? Those lines have a name, and I've got good ones, all right? And again, lavator, labii, superioris, alaqui, or alaqu, nazi, like in nostrils. Okay. So it goes from the side of the nose, and it's near the upper jaw. Side of the nose to the upper jaw, right in there. Oh, I know. Emily, it's a long A name. Right. Say that 3 times fast. I can't even get it out the first time around. Okay. Good deal. Okay, that's 14, 15. Okay, number 16. Okay, levator labii superioris, also known as quadratus labii superioris. It's all the same spot, and we've gone over this, and here it is again. It's this area right there. And number 16 moves the lips up, expands the nostrils. So when you don't like someone, do you notice how the nostrils expanded? So it moves the lips up. That's number 16. So that muscle next to that line, remember those lines, the levator labii superioris liqui nasi? Okay. The one that I have, the good one, that line. Okay, so this line was the one we discussed. And in between the line and the nostril is the muscle that moves the lips upward to give a snarly look or to make the lips look like they don't like someone. Okay, so that's number 16. Number 17, the masseter closes the jaw to chew. The masseter. You see what I'm doing? The masseter. Okay, do you see where that's located? Right in here. This is the masseter. Closes the jaw to chew. See what's moving? Oh, Mercedes, which is your fave? Which one's your fave? This one or the previous one with the ones that make you frown and snarl? Urgh. Which one? Okay. Dying to find out. Number 18 is the Buccinator, the snarling one. Yeah, I like that one too. But my favorite are these because I have them. So see, I have those lines. I have a very deep one right here. Okay. So whenever I get a caricature drawn of me, someone does a caricature, they really accentuate those particular lines in my face. And I've got a couple of pictures at home, cartoon pictures of me. And that's, I mean, it just stands right out ever since for years and years. I guess that's my claim to fame, those particular lines. I don't know. Number 18, the Buccinator is the muscle between the upper and lower jaw that pushes air between your lips to whistle. So contracts the cheeks. Do you see how he's trying to whistle? So look at those cheeks. Blows it out. Okay, looks like a chipmunk there. But anyway, it allows you to put the upper and lower jaw to be able to push the air out. Doesn't look like that at all. But anyway, I don't know. So that's Buccinator. That's number 18. Number 19, you see this right here? Over here? That's number 19. There it is on the bottom. Look at the number on the bottom. Your Bris Aureus. It's called Bris Aureus. It's a muscle that allows the corner of your mouth to move to a grin. Okay, see how it's making the face move to a grin? Pulling the corners out and back, responsible for dimples. I don't have those, darn it. You know the ones that are right here? So this he's got some good dimples, Bris Aureus. So when this lifts up, it creates dimples right here, okay? So there you go, your Bris Aureus. Looks like your fake smile. I'm going to remember that, Emily. The next time I ever meet you, if you smile at me, I'll know you're faking it. Maybe not. I'm sure you don't. Okay, that's number 19. Oh boy. Number 20 is this guy right here showing you the jaw. All right. It's the platysma, and that's your lower jaw and lip. It's actually located along the chest, shoulders. It includes the chest, the shoulders, the side of the chin. See what he's doing? All that is your platysma. It lowers the lower jaw. You see what's happening here? I'm using all these muscles all the way into my chest bone. Okay? All this. Yeah. Jessica, don't even mention yawning. We'll all be yawning in a minute. Oh, no. Okay. You don't want to hear that. Okay. So let me see. I now need to find number 21 and 22. Here we go. Okay, 22. '21 is the occipitalis, and I just have to find that picture. Make sure we have it. Oh, there is no picture of the occipitalis. That's why. Let me take a look. There's one that we might have it. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. No, it's not on this either. Okay, guys, I don't have a picture of this one. It's probably the only one we don't have a photo of, but oh, that's right, it isn't. The closest you would have seen it would have been here, but even that doesn't show because it's the back of the head. All right, so your occipitalis, this is the occipital bone. Okay, so you should know, okay, you've got your crown and crest. Crest is the widest part of the head. Your occipital bone is below the crest, which basically your occipital bone is between the top of the ear and the bottom of the ear and the back of the head. So it'd be the top of the ear, back of the head. Occipitalis is the muscles at the back of the skull. Okay, so you'll have that definition. There is no photo because it's in the back of the head and nobody was able to draw that, I guess. Okay, the last one is your nasalis, and that is number 22. I don't know if I've got that or not. No, the nasalis are the muscles that cover the nose. The nasalis. Okay, let's see if that's anywhere else. Let me see if I can find that term here. No, I don't have that. It's not anywhere. So no pictures. Although I could have sworn we did have that picture. Oh, I found the picture. Yeah, there we go. Nasalis. Can you all see it? It's right up here. The nasalis. Yes, we went over 22 muscles, Mercedes. Oh, Kelly, that's hilarious. Okay. All right. So now you will be receiving, if you haven't already, this particular email. Okay. But we won't be going over it, guys, until 3. So you've got till 3 to even get it. And there's nothing you're expected to do because we're going to go over, you're going to print it out, and you're going to type in or handwrite the answers that I'm going to give you. Everything we went over, I'm going to give it to you again so you can write slowly. All right. And that will be the next hour at 3 p.m. What I would like to do right now, since I know that Molly went over about 15 terms this morning, another review, and then we were going to give you the answers. Guys, it's basically the same review we've been given. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show these, and you'll write as many as you can. And we're going to fill in the blanks. That's another thing you can work on if I don't get to the answers this right away, okay? Because it's already 12:30. So what I'd like for you to do is switch your mind, go back to writing what you did this morning, what you worked on this morning. Good. And then, okay, you copied your answer straight from what we did yesterday. Great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little quicker since this is all video and you guys can look back at this. I'm going to put this up, and those of you who don't write fast, screenshot. If you already have this information at home, this is just fill in the blank. And this question reads, the nerve cell contains over blank in the body called. Okay. The nerve cell. Okay, so Take a picture of that. Oh, you want to 11B? Okay, good to know. I have, all right. Okay, so I'll go to 11B. Ironically enough, I turned to the exact page. This would be 11B. Blank tissue helps the body move. Take a picture. Oh, she started up another live that went to 15. Okay, I'm going to do this real quick. So for those who didn't get it, that was 12. I don't know what that was. Okay. She started another live. Okay. Okay. So y'all that went to 11B, check out the other live to get you to number 15. Yeah, because she told me to start on number 16. Okay. And we don't have a lot of time. So there is another one out there, or if you can get that from somebody else, that'd be good too. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go to number 16. I already just showed you number 16, but I'm just bringing it up again. I would say that the other one is not still up live. However, you could probably find it because she would have ended it. She would have ended it. Okay, this is number 16. Take a photo. Okay, number 17 is long. Okay. Nerve fibers that receive impulses from neurons and axons that sends blank messages to glands and blank is called the blank. Okay, take a picture. Number 18. The blank is the largest of the nerve tissues in the body. The blank is the largest of the nerve tissues in the body. Okay, so I'm going to be going quickly through this. You're going to have to review the video. Number 19. The brain weighs blank and controls blank, blank, and blank. Okay. Okay. Number 20. The brain sends blank to reach other parts of the blank, blank, and blank. Okay. So what you want to do is kind of write this down. Okay. Number 21. There are two types of nerves, blank, known as blank nerves, and blank, also known as blank. Okay. Now, guys, don't worry. Try to you've got a lot of notes, and this will help you. You've been over it. This is just another review of the information. Okay. So you should have this information. You'll be able to fill this out. All right. We'll be going over that as well, hopefully today. Hopefully. Sensory nerves, number 22. Sensory nerves send messages blank, such as touch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So touch and a bunch more. Okay, you get to fill that in. Number 23. Motor nerves send messages to the blank and blank. Okay. snapshot it or go back over this audio video. Okay. Y'all still there? Number 24. An automatic message to the muscle for quick reactions is called a what? An automatic message to the muscles. Number 25. A. This part of the brain controls vital functions to blood pressure, heartbeat, and breathing. What is it? This part of the brain. B. This part of the brain recognizes temperature, pain, and communicates to the sensory nerves. What is it? Part of the brain. Are y'all there? Anybody? The last thing I see is Kira's message about number 15. Okay, good. Thanks. I just needed to know. You're hanging in there, guys. The faster I can get through this, the faster I can start giving you the answers. Okay? This portion originates in the brain and runs down the back of the body. Cool. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Okay. This portion originates in the brain and runs down the back of the body. Thanks, guys. Hi, everybody. Good to see you or hear you or read you. Letter D. This is the bulk of the brain. It is located in the blank and conveys hearing and sight. What is it? Okay. I'm going to put that up. This is D. Oh, Kelly, snap a shot of the pictures. I'm going too fast for you guys to write things down. Unless you just want to put the letter and put blanks for it, because I'll be giving you the answers, but you got to know what you're dealing with. Okay. Again, you can always go back through the video. I know how nobody ever really wants to do that, but at least you can speed things through. Okay. E. This is Latin for little brain and is at the base to help muscle activity and voluntary movement. Cool. This is Latin for little brain, and it's at the base of the skull. Helps muscle activity and voluntary movement. By the way, there's 35 questions, so with subparts. That's why I'm trying to get through this. We only have another 12 minutes. 26, the system is responsible for elimination of wastes, and also subpart A, blank gets rid of excess waste and salts through sweat. Okay. B, blank gets rid of harmful molecules out of the bloodstream. That's B. C, blank gets rid of toxins. D, blank eliminates digested food. And E, lungs exhale something. I'll leave that up, take a picture. Number 27. This system produces children and passes on our genetics. This system produces children and passes on genetics. Okay, number 28. The blank system changes food into blank. It allows our body to break down food. Chewing is blank and digestion is blank. This system is also known as the blank. Leave that up, take a picture. Guys are doing great. I know you're either furiously writing. Me, I would take snapshots and go back to the video if you can't get it all, okay? Because I am going really quickly through this stuff. But if you'll recall, between yesterday and the day before without any, or this morning and yesterday without any sound, we're a little bit behind and I kind of want to catch up so you get it. Now, you have all this information. We've had reviews. There will be more. So this is, you've got all this stuff. You just don't know it. Okay. We're at number 29. Integumentary system is the blank. It's composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. The integumentary system is composed of 5 things, okay? The integumentary system is the blank, and it's composed of 5 different things. Number 30. This system is a chemical messenger system comprised of hormones into the circulatory system. That's number 30. 38. It affects growth, something else, sexual activity, and overall general blank of the body. Okay, take a picture. B, it is composed of 2 glands, blank and blank. So you're going to list the 2 glands eventually. The exocrine gland is also called something glands and are tubular ducts that blank and blank glands belong as well. Take a picture. Okay, subpart D. Endocrine are also known as something glands and release blank that go right into our blood. Okay. E, 2 endocrine glands are blank and blank. F, blank regulates metabolism. Take a picture. Okay, subpart G to that one, blank regulates the physiological aspects of the body, such as blood pressure, sexual function, blank, and the growth of our body. Subpart G. 31. This system is known as something system and is part of the blank and circulatory systems. Okay, subpart A. This system is made up of lymph, spleen, tonsils, and blank blank gland. Snapshot it. Subparts B and C. It protects from blank and destroys blank. C, colorless fluid containing blank blood cells flow through the lymphatic system and drains into the what? D, lymph transports blank, white blood cells, but the cardiovascular system transports what? So lymph transports something and the cardiovascular system transports something. Number 32, the skeletal system is composed of blank amount of bones that from our body. I don't know what I'm trying to say there, but just count up the amount of bones in the skeletal system. That number goes there. Okay. 33. Oh, okay. Mary Helen, yeah, what you're going to probably want to do is just take a look at the entire video one more time. Yeah. So I realize I'm going fast, but you guys can look at the video. That's what they're there for. So afterwards, you'll be, once I get through this, you can take a look at it. I'll end the stream like about 15 minutes afterwards, and then you guys can start filling this information out, okay? Number 33, the blank system is composed of blank and non-striated muscles and blank muscle. And the study of the functions of the muscle is called and guys, I don't want you to sweat this because it is a review, okay? And I'm going to be giving you the answers, so there'll be more time to fill this out, or you can go back later and take pictures, however you need to do it. Okay, we're almost done, and I only have 4 minutes anyway. And I know that Winnie doesn't want to, keep pushing it out. So 34, the circulatory system is also known as blank. It circulates blank through the blank, veins, blank, and blank. So there's a whole lot of blanks on this page. Okay, and if there's some way you can abbreviate, because again, these are your notes. Oh. Okay, no problem, Kelly. Yeah. Like I said, even tonight, sometime in the mornings. B, the blank is the circulatory system's body pump. It keeps the blood flowing. Almost done. I had to go fast though. C, 72 to 80 beats per minute is blank resting heart rate. Okay, and the last one has 3 parts or 5 parts to it. Okay, 35. Blood is blank. Water. A, blood's temperature is. B, carries blank, blank, and blank secretions to. C, eliminates waste through. This is the last page. This is D, E, and F. Blank blood cells protect from blank. E, the human body contains blank pints of blood. And F, blood is blank of human's weight. No problem. Okay. Y'all just don't forget to clock out. Okay. All right. I will try to fit all the answers in at 3 p.m. What we don't get over, we can fit tomorrow. Okay, no worries, Olivia. All right. Okay. been a lot of a little bit of catch up there. Okay, good deal.